Hello, today I'm here to introduce and demonstrate the use of Glottal Enterprises PG-20 and PG-60. These are handheld, battery-operated devices that give real-time estimates of the air pressure in the lungs during speech or singing. The air pressure in the lungs, commonly referred to as the subglottal pressure, supplies the energy that generates the human voice. This pressure is difficult to measure during speech, and its measurement for medical purposes generally requires a tracheal puncture. However, the PG-20 and PG-60 use an interpolation technique to estimate the subglottal pressure non-invasively from the air pressure in the mouth during a P consonant. The PG-20 and PG-60 are self-contained systems that don't need a computer or computer software for their operation. These two models differ only in the pressure range that is measured. The PG-20 measures up to 20 centimeters of water and covers the range of pressures used for a normal speaking voice, from low to loud. The PG-60 measures up to 60 centimeters of water and is designed to be useful in monitoring very loud speech and singing. In the PG series, a pressure transducer measures the air pressure in the mouth, or intraoral pressure, during a P consonant by means of a tube that is placed between the subject's lips. This tube is connected to the PG-20 and PG-60 via a standard lure connector and can easily be removed to be cleaned or replaced when necessary. A patented electronic circuit derives and displays an estimate of the subglottal pressure from the intraoral pressure. This value of subglottal pressure is displayed on both an LED linear display and on a digital panel meter. Let us demonstrate how the PG series is used. To use the device, place the power switch in the up position. A small residual reading on the display with no input pressure is normal. The PG units are powered by a standard 9-volt alkaline or lithium battery accessed by sliding off the battery cover on the underside of the unit. The battery condition can be checked by pressing the battery test button on the front panel. The unit must be operating when you do this. During this measurement, the red LED light on the linear display will read the battery voltage. The voltage markings on the left side indicate the battery strength. A voltage greater than approximately 7 volts indicates that the battery can operate the unit correctly. To collect data, the mouthpiece at the end of the probe tube should be placed between the subject's lips, usually in the corner of the mouth where it is least affected by lip motion. Have the subject pronounce the desired syllable sequence, or a meaningful sentence or phrase containing at least 2 P consonants, at the loudness level to be tested. In English, such a sentence could be, "Peter picked peppers," or "Hello, Papa, how are you?" or "Pass the pepper." The meter can be observed and read while the subject is speaking. The meter will indicate the pressure close to the peak pressure in the previous 1 or 2 P consonants. Pa, 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 pa. To make it easier to record a meter reading, the PG-20 has a hold functionality. Pushing and holding down the hold button during or just after an utterance will cause the meter reading to remain at the value it was at the instant the button was pushed. Pa, 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 pa. Normally, if natural speech is used, a reading can be at any desired instant after at least 2 Ps are spoken. For example, we can press the hold button just after the sentence, "Please pass the pepper," or it can be used during the sentence after at least 2 P consonants, as in, "Hello, Papa, how are you?" Though this device was designed to be a self-contained system that outputs pressure values on an LED array, there is a jack on the side of the device which would allow the user to connect to a data acquisition system of their choice.